So at this point now, we're ready to again roll the other way. So a lot of this process is rolling this quilt back and forth
on those 3 rails. You want to watch the layers.
Undo this break here. It's kind of clicking. And I need to get my back going tighter here. I'm ahead of myself. It's kind of tighten out. All right.
Okay.
I need to be, hang on, I'm turning the wrong rails. I want to turn these too.
Okay. And we're going to roll to the back rail now.
Right. When we get back to the beginning, we'll be ready to start quilting.
Yes.